You're about to witness an all-new auto glass removal tool that can take out a windshield without damaging the glass, trim panels, moldings, headliners, dash, or pinch weld. The Equalizer Python was developed by an auto glass technician who became frustrated because of the new style of automobiles, where the glass virtually meets the metal, leaving no room for many popular removal tools. So let's get started with the Python. First, insert the wire starter through the urethane. Vacuum the venom wire dispenser to the glass. Crimp the end of the wire. Insert the end of the wire through the wire starter eye. Then pull the wire through the urethane. Be sure to pull the wire about 2 feet into the vehicle. Insert the wire into the Python. Turn the Python wire spool a few turns. Position the Python onto the glass. Now pump the Python's suction assembly to its maximum pressure onto the glass. Begin to thread the wire around the windshield using the venom wire dispenser. When necessary, you can attach the venom dispenser to the body or glass of the vehicle to allow both hands to manipulate the wire. If the windshield you are removing has an attached molding, make sure you thread the wire beneath the molding onto the pinch weld. To ensure the wire stays in place, you may need to use molding release tape. Make sure the wire stays in the pinch weld area and does not become attached to the tape on the surface of the body of the vehicle. After the wire is inserted around the entire windshield, be sure that enough slack is given and then cut the wire. Now reinsert the wire starter. Crimp the end of the wire about 1/4 of an inch. Insert the end of the wire through the wire starter eye. Pull the remaining end of the wire through the urethane. Insert the wire into the wire anchor front opening and then thread the wire through the slide lock. Pull the slide lock forward to lock it in place. Attach the wire anchor to the glass. Now that we have the wire in place, remember, it's not how many times you have to move the Python. You can use it on the center of the windshield to do your cut, or, like in this particular windshield, we have to move it around the windshield to make our cut. Position the wire guard in a place that reduces the most drag on the cutting action of the Python. Begin turning the slide handle on the Python. Keep an even pace. Reposition the dash protector from time to time to ensure that the wire stays away from the dash. Occasionally, you may have to reposition the Python or the wire anchor to reduce drag on the cutting action. Position the wire guard in a place that reduces the most drag on the cutting action of the Python. Use an installation stick to help you guide the wire in tough to reach areas. Position the wire guard in a place that reduces the most drag on the cutting action of the Python. Use an installation stick to help you guide the wire in tough to reach areas. Occasionally, you may have to reposition the Python or the wire anchor to reduce drag on the cutting action. On your final turn, the wire will pop through the urethane and the windshield is ready to take out. As you can see, the urethane is nicely cut. The pinch weld, inside trim, headliner, and dash are not damaged. After using the Python a few times, you will see how easy it is to save the windshield without damaging the pinch weld. If you have any questions, please contact us.